Hi viewers, welcome to my video lecturing. In this video, let us see limitations of human resource audit. Human resource audit is rarely a failure. However, it has some negative results when it conducted by some other department instead of the one which is already planned. The limitations of human resource audit are given below. First one, recent origin, lack of support of top management, improper actualization, inadequate development programs, inadequate information, lack of management commitments, lack of clarity in audit report, auditors' lack of knowledge and training, etc. Let us see in detail. First one, failure to implement human resource audit. Most human resource audit goes failures because of failure of implementation. In some organization, top level management peoples are very curious to know about the results of the audit. But once they get the results, they feel leisure about the future audit. Because once they got the results, they felt they are in above average. In that case, audit get a failure. Next, damages the image of the human resource department, which means sometimes human resource audit can also be used for against the HR department. It can also be used to get rid of some staff in the department. In such situation, such decision can have become an adverse effect on all overall human resource department of the company. Next one, using third party consultation for human resource audit. While human resource audit does point out to the competency gaps in the human resource department and also indicates the mismatch, if any, between the organizational needs and the employee competencies. Normally, an attempt is made to suggest development strategies rather than the retrenchment strategies. In human resource audit does not give any evaluation of individuals, but they only focuses on entire units and systems in the organization. If consultants may give their informal feedback, if any, to the person concerned. With this explanation, limitations of human resource audit have explained. Thank you.